My lord, three FIRs are under challenge in this writ petition, my lord, on the principles of Haji Iqbal's judgment. My lord, over here, my lord, before your lordship, my lord, first and foremost, my lord, the settled principle of law, my lord, is that a certain set of facts, my lord, would result in the registration of an FIR. During the course of investigation, my lord, details may be added. My lord, in this case, my lord, I shall show to your lordship how facts have been twisted and how a harassive FIR has been registered against these petitioners. My lord, this is with regard to Shagorpada Gram Panchayat. My lord, there are 17 members, my lord, 16 members who are before your lordship. In a seat of 30, my lord, they were the majority winning members. My lord, 16 of them are ladies. My lord, one of them is a man. Now, my lord, on the date of formation of the board, that was on the 10th of August 2023, my lord, at that point of time, they assembled for the meeting. My lord, on that date, certain miscreants from outside, since they were the majority, and to prevent them from forming the board, my lord, miscreants from outside entered into the office. My lord, thereafter that ransacked the entire place, broke video cameras, broke the recordings, and my lord, accordingly, 3 FIRs were registered. My lord, the third FIR, my lord, which is the most crucial one, my lord, is registered surprisingly, my lord, against certain members of the party in opposition. That is what the description is. I'll take your lordship one by one through that.
No, don't go to the details. Tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
what you want immediately.
My lord, immediately, my lord, this is a case for quashing of the FIR.
Right.
My lord, with regard to the first 2 FIR, they say that we are not implicated. Now, the question lies with regard to the third FIR. My lord, this person who has, on whose basis, my lord, the FIR was started, my lord, he is one Arup Vaidya, my lord, he is the Panchayat Development Officer, my lord, who was in the scene of the meeting at that point of time.
Is he a government officer?
Yes, my lord. My lord, as per his complaint, my lord, he says that these persons were inside the meeting hall. Certain miscreants from outside entered into the meeting venue, ransacked everything, assaulted people, assaulted him also, and went away. My lord, he lodges this case to the Shagorpada police station. He also forwards it to the BDO. Now, when the BDO forwards it to the police, my lord, he adds that we were the persons who were inside the meeting venue who had conducted this act.
All right.
My lord, which is completely a twisted version of what was stated by Arup Vaidya. Now, my lord, the police, when they register the FIR, only one page I shall show to your lordship, my lord. I won't take much of your lordship's time. If your lordship may kindly takes up, my lord, page number 58 of my petition, annexed to P7.
Yes.
My lord, over there, in clause number 7, my lord, it is stated the newly winning so-and-so members. My lord, as your lordship got it in the details of accused persons, we are the newly winning members. My lord, how could a version, my lord, because FIR, my lord, is based on a certain set of facts. The complainant himself, my lord, has alleged what I have stated before your lordship. How could this entire fact be twisted in such a way?
Page 58, serial number 12 is
Yes.
the original inquiry report.
Yes.
Where is the complaint pursuant to which this FIR was
Yes,
lodged?
my lord. Yes, my lord. I'm telling your lordship, my lord. If your lordship may kindly seize, my lord, a report, my lord, on the last occasion and handed over to this honorable court, my lord. A report, my lord. This is their documents, my lord, because at this point of time, only the formal information report was uploaded.
Is it the OC Shagorpada police station's report?
No, my lord.
27th of
No,
November.
my lord.
What
This
is
is-
it?
My lord, this is a report, my lord, which is
By-
given by the office of the BDO.
Office of the PD.
My lord, I'm showing, my lord, I shall, it's there in the record, my lord, I can show it, my lord, from here. I'm handing over my copy, my lord, to your lordship. It's much more easier, my lord, it's there in the record, my lord. This was one of the facts which were obtained. My lord, this is the complaint, my lord, of the 10th of August 2023 incident which was lodged by Arup Vaidya, my lord, the Panchayat returning officer. My lord, this was the report which was there. Now your lordship will see the complaint once.
Yes.
My lord, in that complaint, specific allegations have been stated, my lord, that he is the Panchayat Development Officer. Yes. And on the 10th of August, certain members, when he was about to form the board, certain miscreants from outside entered into the meeting venue and assaulted everyone, including himself, and broke the video camera recordings and everything. Admittedly, we were inside the meeting venue. We are the winning candidates who are before your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, so therefore, my lord, as this is the first information at the first point of time which was given. There could have been no doubt, my lord, that I am no way connected or this allegation was never against me. Now your lordship will take up the first 2 pages, my lord, of the video. Now, my lord, on the second page, my lord, the report which says is that we were the persons who were responsible for this attack which had taken place. This is the first time where the version changes now. By a person who was not even there at the meeting venue. Now, my lord, this was forwarded to the police station. Police, my lord, conduct a perfunctory inquiry because FIR has been purportedly registered against me. Now, your lordship will see on the last occasion, my lord, last report, my lord, which was directed to be handed over to me, was on the 9th of May 2024.
By whom?
My lord, by the officer in charge of Shagorpada police station.
29th of September, you said?
9th of May 2024 report, my lord. Last report.
9th of May.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the last page, my lord, because we are only concerned with one FIR, that is the FIR, my lord, which I am making submissions on. My lord, the last page of the report, my lord, is Shagorpada Police Station case number 247 of 2023, dated 17th of August 2023. This is the case, my lord, which is in question. My lord, the present status of the case investigation, my lord, if your lordship sees, my lord, the remarks which have been given by the investigating officer, my lord, Arup Vaidya, my lord, I don't know, my lord, under some, there must be some pressure or something, my lord, because he was asked to give his broken mobile phones as well as the video camera devices. He is not giving that. On the contrary, my lord, there is a 164 statement which has been recorded again by him on his instance. My lord, this is this manner in which, my lord, an investigation is being carried out against these persons, admittedly, because we are the FI named accused persons, when, my lord, the incident is something else entirely. Or how much of this perfunctory investigation could be allowed to continue? If I can just base, my lord, the brief of the case on 10/8/23 regarding the board formation of Shagorpada GP, the presiding officer, Arup, the PDO, lodged a complaint. My lord, that is the first admitted fact. I have shown that complaint before your lordship. Then he has been asked to produce the broken camera records, broken video records, whatever is there. He has not produced that. My lord, this is a case, my lord, which has to be, because over here, my lord, twisting of facts has happened admittedly on records. And an FIR, my lord, can only be a consistent set of facts. There may be details added during investigation. But today, one cannot have a complete 180-degree turn and, my lord, an FIR be started against me when the person who is lodging the FIR has never leveled an allegation against me. Now they're coming up with 164 statements when he's not being able to produce the broken camera records, anything.
Where did you show me the FIR page?
My lord, that is at page number 57.
57.
Sorry, my lord, page number 58, annex to P7.
58.
This is a suo motu case started by the police, my lord, where accused persons are described in this way. That is us.
Very well. Yes. What was the order passed on the last occasion?
My lord, the report was to be handed over to me. My lord, there was an interim order passed that no report in final form be submitted without the leave of the court. So investigation was not allowed to be, my lord, given any final shape because of these facts.
But then possibly how could the investigation proceed without the broken mobile and all those?
That is my question. This is why, my lord, the report was asked to be directed to be served upon us on the last occasion. After receiving this report, these are the submissions, my lord, I'm making for the first time today before your lordship. Coupled with, my lord, what the previous complaint was. Because my apprehension, my lord, is that said Arup Vaidya, my lord, who has lodged the first information report, he's done it himself. I don't know what he has said in his 164.
Affidavit has been filed.
Yes, my lord. Affidavit has been filed by the state, my lord. We have chosen not to file a reply because, my lord, the affidavit in opposition is only with regard to the steps taken during investigation. We cannot, my lord, we have challenged the FIR itself.
So the matter is more or less ready for hearing.
Yes, my lord. Final hearing, my lord. But today, my lord, I would be beseeching your lordship, my lord, that stay this particular investigation. As on today, my lord, I would be beseeching your lordship to stay this investigation and let, my lord, let them produce the case diary on the next day before your lordship for final hearing.
Now there is a direction for production of case diary.
Yes, my lord.
And there is an interim order also.
Yes, my lord. There was an interim order passed, my lord. Then we have obtained anticipatory bail in this case.
That has been allowed 29th
Yes, my lord.
of
Allowed.
September.
My lord, your lordship, my lord, today, my lord, the purpose of production of the case diary, my lord, your lordship, my lord, my beseechful submission, my lord, is to see how could a version change in such a drastic manner and what the police has done on basis of records which are on documentary form, my lord.
When was the interim order granted?
My lord, on the first
day,
on the first day of the
First day, my lord, interim order was. My lord, if your lordship see 29th of September 2023.
Yes.
My lord, over there, my lord, the second page,
Yes.
last paragraph.
Let the police not arrest the petitioners in arrest. So this is only the interim order.
Yes, my lord. This was
Nothing with
interim order, my
regard
lord.
to
Subsequently, my lord,
at present they are on bail.
I appeared, my lord.
But you have obtained bail. That
Anticipatory
is all
bail, my
right.
lord. Then your lordship may kindly, my lord, sees that there was
Where is the direction not to file?
notify. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Where is? Must be thereafter, possibly.
একটা order ছিল না তারপরে
না না ওটা অর্ডার ছিল না কোন অর্ডার হয়নি
না না আমার মনে হয়
না না হয়নি ওরকম কোন অর্ডার
6th of October, I see. Further investigation shall be conducted
Yes.
under the direct supervision of the SP Murshidabad.
My lord, then my lord,
That's not the order which my
I
my
stand
friend
corrected.
is
No, I
saying.
stand corrected, my lord. I stand corrected.
Please not arrest the petitioners.
Yes, my lord. That was
All
the
right.
excellent.
What is the stage of the investigation?
There are 3 separate cases, my lord.
I'm not making submission on the first two. There's no point, my lord, confusing.
247.
247, only one, because he said
247.
admittedly that there are two, both the other two.
247. We are concerned with 247.
247, my lord, admittedly there is a defect in the FIR, my lord, that the name of the accused has not been mentioned in the
What are
FIR.
you
Rather,
proposing to do? File FRT?
my lord, we are investigating the matter at present, my lord, with the
There is a
164,
defect in the FIR, you admit, but
164,
still they are on.
164 of the PRO, the complainant, is yet to be done, my lord. We have been asking him to come to give a statement, my lord. He has been avoiding to come.
No, but then
If we do not find any, my lord, if he does not come up with his, if the complainant does not come up, my lord,
yes,
we have no other option but to file an apartment, my lord.
right?
But that's the only last option.
How soon can you come back with positive instructions?
My lord, within 10 days, my lord.
Very well, please come.
But this fact be also recorded by that he is
Submission
not
made
coming
on
for once.
behalf of the parties. Step. The petitioner in the instant case is aggrieved by the first information report being FIR number 247/2023 dated 17th of August 2023. Stop. Next. Learned advocate representing the state respondents seeks 10 days time to come up with an updated report in connection with the said FIR. Stop. It has been submitted that despite repeated opportunities granted to the PRO being the complainant.
PDO, my lord, Panchayat Development.
Acha,
PR.
Panchayat
He's the
Development
complainant.
He's a
PR.
complaint is PDO. That is what is described
No,
by
no.
PDO, Panchayat
Okay.
Development.
Panchayat
But he
Development
should
Officer.
be Panchayat returning officer.
Being the
It should be
complainant.
Panchayat returning officer rather than PDO.
The,
ভুল আছে ওখানে না?
said officer is not producing the evidences in support of the complaint that was lodged. Stop. It has been admitted that the complaint is a defective one. Stop. Next. The court heard the parties and passed interim order on an earlier occasion. Stop. Next. Let the interim order continue till 19th July 2024 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Let the matter appear in the list on 10th of July.
I'm deeply grateful.
Take your videos report back because I found the copy
Under the
here.
Yes, my lord. I had given it, my
under
lord.
the heading to be mentioned.
To be mentioned, under the heading to be mentioned.